अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 8th इंग्लिश का पोम ए नेशन स्ट्रेंथ। पहले हम इसकी समरी करते हैं, ठीक है। द पोइम ए नेशन स्ट्रेंथ हैज़ बीन written by Rolf Waldo Emerson. This poem is about patriotism. For the times of the poet, the kind of patriotism fits right. However, the patriotism is overpowered by wealth, weaponry. According to the poet, the strength of the nation lies in patriotic and determined inhabitants. The modern world fails to understand this fact that it can only prosper through brave and loyal citizens. The citizens who give their lives for the benefit of the country. They face the enemies when we are sleeping. This courage and strength leads the nation's strength to the might of majesty, wealth, gold, and all material things passed away, lay down deep in the dust where crowns of kings, but charm and glory of patriotism was never gone. When we see when we see this poem in broader perspective, we come to know that pride and bright crown's luster will be down in ashes, but the eternal gift bestowed by the God will be never lost, and this is nation's real pride and power. तो ये नेशन स्ट्रेंथ की समरी थी। अब हम करेंगे इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलिए करते हैं स्टार्ट। पहला क्वेश्चन, इन द फर्स्ट stanza the poet wonders about certain things. What are they? In the first stanza of the poem, the poet wonders about what makes a nation's pillars high and its foundation strong, what makes it strong enough to defy its enemies that surround it from all sides. What are the foundations of a strong kingdom built on? The foundations of a strong kingdom are built on the greatness and toughness of its people who can work hard for their nation. It is built on their honesty, courage, and truthfulness. What happens to a nation which depends on an army to keep it strong? Such a nation is spoiled, its empire becomes a thing of past, the blood of its soldiers turns its stones to rust, and its glory decays. When a nation becomes proud, what does God do? When a nation becomes proud, God with one stroke diminishes the luster of its crown and turns it into ashes and scatters them at their feet. Do you think that wealth can make a nation great and strong? Why? No, wealth can never make a nation great and strong. It is only the brave man who can make the nation strong. Only those men who can stand fast for the sake of truth and honor, who suffer the hardships by being patient, can make their nation great and strong. What can the brave do? The brave man can do a lot for their nation. The brave man dare, while others fly only. They build the pillars of a nation deep and lift them to the sky above. अब है लास्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे, एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग लाइन्स. They build a nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky. In these lines, the poet wants to say that the men who are brave and courageous build the pillars of the nation deep and lift them to the sky. In other words, such people make the foundation of a nation strong and take it to the great heights. इसके बाद यहाँ पे इसका लैंग्वेज वर्क है. लिस्ट द वर्ड्स बीइंग with these beginning with these consonants. M से start होता है makes, N से nations, F से foe, S से strong, R से round, D से defy, P से pillars, H से high, B से blood, G से glory, L से luster. Pick out the rhyming words. Strong, throng, grand, sand, shock, rock, dust, rust, away, decay, crown, down, sweet, feet, make, sake, strong, long, sleep, deep, fly, sky. Frame some WH questions and yes no questions of your own. WH question is, what makes you feel proud? What do you want? Yes no question is this your book? Is it not good? तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये था आज हमने किया था ए नेशन स्ट्रेंथ. तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में किसी और चैप्टर के साथ. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.